What's going on, guys? So in this topic, we're going to talk about recessionary fears. This is one of the main focus for the actual markets, right? So I'm pretty sure if you guys been following the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and the NASDAQ, you've been seeing that it's actually hitting all-time lows for this year. And we're going to cover pretty much why this is happening, right? Because hopefully you guys has been taking advantage of these opportunities just so that you can make some real good profits. Also, if you guys trade gold, you could just see that gold is definitely hitting these all-time highs because recession, right? So what happens to us traders, right? If we don't really understand fundamentals, it's very hard for us to take advantage of these type of opportunities because we've been trained throughout our whole life, right? When we hear something like recessionary fears or something that we're supposed to be afraid of, right away, we just look at something, we just look away from it. Don't even bother. This must mean that everybody is losing money in the markets, right? In reality, no. Because if you're trading in the Forex markets, you have an opportunity to trade in both directions, right? Understanding if we are dealing with a recession, this could actually help you trade in a particular direction until things change, right? So one of the things that I like when it comes to recessionary fears, like pretty much is why is the recessionary fears starting, right? So we understand this thing called tariffs. We understand when Donald Trump came into office and started tariffs, trade wars. This is what's causing the recessionary fears. So when this thing continues to linger in the markets, we understand the direction. So this is what you have to pay attention to first. Recessionary fears, what is going to get impacted and also why? What currencies is going to go in which direction and why? So this is what I like to call sentiment, right? Because the markets do have feelings. So when we're dealing with a recessionary environment, we have to understand that the stock markets, right, US equities is going to push bearish because investors are leaving risky assets to go to safer assets, which is things like gold, right? This is why gold is hitting all-time highs. If you understand this, you was able to take advantage of all of this fear pretty much from the beginning of the year. But let me get back to it. If we look at AUD, NZD, and CAD currencies, right, they've been pushing bearish. And this is because AUD, NZD, and CAD are risk assets because they're also traded in commodities. Commodities like oil, iron ore, copper, all has been pushing bearish with this recessionary fear coming in place. Now, what are the currencies that are gaining strength? You could look at the yen currency and also the Swiss because there are the lowest rates out of all the currencies, which makes it a lot easier to shift from riskier assets to safer assets because those currencies have lower yields. Okay. Now, when it comes to the dollar, right? The dollar is also a safe haven, but in this current market environment, the reason why the dollar is not rising, I do believe this is because of the trade wars, right? I believe that the dollar is dropping because with a weaker dollar, other currencies like Europe, the United Kingdom, China, the trade war, when you look at the trade, they're traded in US dollars. So with the weaker dollar with trade, it makes it easier for other investors, other countries to buy from the US, but it makes it more expensive to buy stuff from China if they have a stronger currency. It makes it more expensive to buy from Japan if their currency is actually stronger, right? So I feel like it's more of a tactic. Do we really know? No, but I feel like this is also a tactic for the US. They're doing currency manipulation, weakening the currency on purpose just to prove their point when it comes to trade wars, to make it a lot harder for these other countries just so that they could follow a board. And also the bond markets, right? Bond markets, the treasury markets is also coming to all-time lows because there are sayings that China is giving and selling the bond markets, right? And that's one of the reasons too that also it causes uncertainty when it comes to the dollar. When the bond market is going to all-time lows, investors don't trust the dollar, right? So that's causing other investors to just leave the dollar as well. So it's up to your opinion to understand what's really going on. But again, I feel like it has to be one of those few things. So for you guys, recessionary fears, is it bad? Yes, but if this is all to me, I feel like this is just all assumptions for now, because tariffs is also in a 90-day pause, right? So we don't really know the conflict that tariffs can actually put in the economy, but we have news outlets all over the place saying that this is going to be bad. This is going to cause a recession, but we really don't know that. But this is what can help us as traders take advantage of these opportunities, because we know how to trade in either direction. So when these recessionary fears continue to take place, you know what pairs to trade, you know what directions they're going to go, but you want to be able to take advantage when things actually change. When we see an actual risk on market, right? When we see that tariffs are actually de-escalating. This is where you want to take advantage of the upside again. And how do I know? Just look at back in history, right? 2008, when we had the financial crisis, right? What happened with equities after they started figuring it out? Once everything started becoming in a positive way. What direction gold go? What direction equities go? Look at back in 2020, same situation. What happened with equities when we started seeing things start to flow back into place, right? So that's the transfer of wealth. And all of us could take advantage of that too, but you have to understand how to take advantage of the markets, all right? Hopefully you like this one. Go in the comments if you have any questions.